Chemical weed killers like Weed Be Gone rarely stop regrowth in driveway and sidewalk cracks because they only kill visible plant tissue without addressing the seedbed and the space conditions that allow new plants to return. A chemical will often scorch or systemically kill the foliage and sometimes the root crown, but it leaves behind loosened or eroded substrate and dormant seeds that are unaffected. To get long-lasting results, you must remove the organic material and compact or seal the void so there is no place for seed, soil, or moisture to accumulate. Start by pulling or scraping existing vegetation and flushing out loose grit and soil with a stiff wire brush and water or compressed air. For small cracks under 3/8 of an inch, use polymeric sand applied dry then misted until it locks up, which prevents seed lodging and sheds water. For wider cracks, use a flexible joint sealant such as Sikaflex or a polyurethane joint filler. Clean the joint, allow it to dry fully, apply backer rod in deep gaps. Then, tool the sealant flush for adhesion and a smooth profile. When working with sealants, allow full cure time before driving or heavy foot traffic, and avoid chemical spot treatments directly on fresh sealant because solvents can interfere with adhesion. Homeowners commonly rely on chemicals and expect permanent results, which fails because chemicals do not stop new soil and seeds from re-entering cracks. The fix is physical cleaning and sealing. A second issue is poor preparation before sealing, like leaving damp debris that prevents bonding. Always dry and blow out joints before applying sand or sealant. A third problem is using rigid fillers in moving joints, which crack and let plants return. Choose flexible polymeric or polyurethane products rated for temperature and movement, and follow manufacturer cure recommendations. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and discover repair methods like crack sealing and polymeric sand application. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host an active discussion community where members share techniques, product experiences, and step-by-step tips.